The match ends around what time? Around 9:30 or so? 9:30, 10, I guess, on Sunday?
9:40. Yeah, correct.
And what this shows, Gaurav, look at it closely, Gaurav, and Pooja, national spokesperson of Samajwadi Party, also look at it closely, please. What it shows that there are a lot of people who are planned inside the mosque. So they had planned it out. I'd like Pooja and Gaurav on both sides, and I'll put this over the visuals. You are seeing in these pictures, Gaurav, I'm describing it, very serious matter coming up today. The group is celebrating India's victory at the Champions Trophy. And the men outside the mosque are telling the mob the group to move. 8 to 10 bikes are carrying the tricolour and they're waving the tricolour, right? More bikes are coming. They're doing nothing. They're just waving the tricolour. They're celebrating, right? Then the camera pans to inside the mosque and there is a movement at the entrance of the mosque. And suddenly, a huge mob comes out of the mosque. And the woman in the background screams, "Beat up the scoundrels, beat up the scoundrels, Maro Dashko," right? It is all well planned. The mob then destroys the barricades, start destroying property. It could not have been spontaneous. One, there was no provocation, none at all. This is the dangerous situation, dangerous times we are living in, Gaurav, where even celebrating India's cricket victory will be met by a riotous, bloodthirsty mob that goes completely unhinged. Gaurav, this is a disturbing video. Your thoughts as you see the video?
So Arnab, first of all, when you say it is dangerous times, let me make it very clear. It is dangerous for people who like to break law with impunity. It is dangerous for people who hate the tricolour. It is dangerous for people who try to break our unity. And they have been dealt with an iron hand. In future also they will be dealt with an iron hand. If they don't like India, I don't use this phrase very often, but I will tell them, we will boot them out from India. They will have no place, not an inch on our motherland Bharat. Second, you very rightly said they were trying to give a message to every Indian. The message was, मस्जिद के बाहर से जाओगे तो हम कानून तोड़ के पत्थर चलाएंगे. If that is their message, I have a stronger message for them. From every Indian, and listen to the couplet which is very apt. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. हिम्मत है, हाथ लगा के दिखाओ, नेस्त नाबूद कर देंगे. Third and very important point, Arnab, as you rightly said, it was a premeditated attempt. And why? 13 arrests have been made. And do you know what has been found from the area and the mosque?
Tell us.
There are buckets full of stones. They wanted to use these stones as weapons to hurt the innocent, patriotic Indians. I am not even saying Hindu or Muslim or Sikh or Isai. I am saying patriotic Indians. And I have a question as an Indian. If you can't love the tricolour, if you cannot rejoice and celebrate when the entire country is celebrating the victory of the Indian team, of which we are very proud of, what will you celebrate? Are you not a traitor? आस्तीन के सांप नहीं हो तुम क्या? तो तुम क्या हो बताओ? मीर जाफर हो, आस्तीन के सांप हो, खाते यहाँ को हो और उसके बाद भारतीयों को मारते हो. And last but not the least, the question to the vulture political class, the pseudo-seculars, who are they? Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Mamta Banerjee, Arvind Kejriwal, Stalin. What are they doing? Arnab, have you heard one word of condemnation from them?
No.
These are vultures waiting to feast on dead bodies. And now they are disappointed because there is no dead body. But you know, it is sad. I must say, the constitution that Rahul Gandhi shows, Article 19, freedom of speech and expression. Is Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav saying that Indians do not have the right to express themselves when the Indian team wins? Second, the right to move freely anywhere in India. And Arnab, do you remember? Similar procession was attacked at a mosque And Samajwadi Party said Muslim इलाके से गुजर रहा था. ये मुस्लिम इलाका क्या होता है, हिंदू इलाका क्या होता है, पूरा भारत एक है. And these are the politicians who have infested our country with politics of hatred and spewing venom. Thank you.
Thank you.